Okay guys, so today we're having super beautiful weather, but we've had about 4 days of really yucky weather and high winds, which caused a ton of damage on the property with the carport being blown over. Thankfully, we had moved, actually Coeur had moved the mama rabbit and the babies and put them in a smaller cage when the storm came through. So we're going to be doing just a whole lot of cleanup again. We're preparing for pigs. We're preparing to move the ducks and get all of that stuff over there. So we're going to be disassembling some things, shifting it over to where it can then be put up, and just basic cleanup, getting ready for my son to come on Saturday with the skid loader and just kind of scraping the area and getting all the slower debris. So we're going to start off with taking down this cattle panel fence and getting that shifted, and then getting the carport actually put back where it was. We're just going to take you along with us on our day and the cleanup that we do. It's not super exciting, but that's homesteading.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
So we had a weasel show up yesterday, and unfortunately weasels like to kill birds and they like to kill rabbits, and they got a hold of the quail and we no longer have quail. So we're gonna have to figure something out about that, of getting rid of this weasel. I think it's the one that showed up last year and we lost a couple of chickens to it. And then we spotted it throughout the winter time, but we didn't have any loss. So now, like I said, yesterday when we pulled in the driveway, he or she had already killed the quail. So, yeah, I'm really upset about it. So I'm just trying to not pay attention to it, but we do have to move the cage and clean that out and reset that up, and figure out what we're going to do different, because we have to protect these animals against the predators. The other animal that we've dealt with all winter is a cougar. That cougar shows up every winter and then leaves. In fact, I think it's already moved on. I don't think it's here anymore. But it hangs out in this area throughout the winter. So next winter we're gonna have to be prepared to have the chickens and stuff pinned up where they're not free ranging. Airplane. So I don't think we're gonna have to do anything about the cougar, because I do think it's moved on, but we are going to have to address this weasel, and Kim got some really good footage of it here, and they're very cute, but unfortunately they are a menace, and they kill for fun. They are an animal that kills for fun. So they will get into your chicken coop and kill all of your chickens, just because it's a fun thing that they enjoy doing. So they're really not an animal that you want to catch and relocate, because then you're just killing someone else's critters. So we're gonna have to work on that. But right now we've pulled down the amount of fence that we can pull down, and we're going to try to shift the carport back over into its original place. The fencing is keeping the ducks in. So we won't be able to pull that side of the fencing down until we're prepared to actually move the ducks. And that's probably going to be next week. So yeah, that's what we're doing now. Sorry, buddy. My goodness, you got P.O. They're like, Mom, that was traumatic. It was traumatic. We got dropped from the sky. Mommy. Don't be mad. He's so soft and friendly. She's not as used to being handled. She doesn't like it. Here you go, Lily. She's like, yes, eat some pine limbs. Okay, so we've decided to move all of the lumber over into this area. It gets a lot of sun and it'll be really easy to carry, to keep it clean and keep the animals off of it because we can tarp it. And that way we can just pick off of those and it's completely out of the way. Because when Victor's here, I'm gonna see if I can get him to clean up that whole section on that side so that we're not breaking legs and ribs this summer trying to move around all of that stuff. So basically we're just going to bring it over here. We're not even really going to stack it. We're just going to put it. It's just going to be awful and people are going to hate me, but it is what it is.